guys, today I'm gonna try sexy smooth wax. This packet is very nice, beautiful color. And how many color? Okay, this I made already. I'm gonna try now. Wow, beautiful color. I'm gonna have to wait. Oh, don't touch it. It's okay. This is first time for me. For myself. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Can see hands come out. It's very good. Little bit. Now I still have promotion, everyone. If you want to order, it's very easy for you, for yourself. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow. I can see, maybe you cannot see. Okay guys, if you want to order sexy smooth wax, I pin link for you. I have to say bye bye. Don't forget to order guys.